Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And today we have another Federal lock, one of their SS series. This is the first one I've had of these, generously sent to me by Pickbeard. Thank you very much for that. It's a CEN grade 4, sold secure silver, and it's the 730 model, which is actually a 60mm body. And it is a hefty old lump, got an 11mm shackle, a molybdenum one. We have 6 pins. There's the bitting, wheel focus, so not too bad. Nice little bit of up and down on there. There we go. And does work nicely. Key retaining, which is part of the CEN rating as it says on the back. There we go. And even on the cover here, a nice thick steel spinner. So let's get this in the vise. See if we can get into it and have a look inside. So where are we? Get that about there, make sure we are in focus, and let's give this a go with the spinner and this really thick plate. Even the Mad Bob's long end of the tension wrench only just gets in there. Right, we'll give this a go. So nothing on 1, 2, 3. We've got a little click and a very slight movement on the core. 4 we got a tiny click out of. 5 we got a little click. 6 nothing. 1. I think we might have got a little click out of 1 there. Just let off the tension, try it again. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, tiny little click on 5, and we got a click on 6 that time. Right, we got a positive click on 1 that time. And we got counter rotation, a click on 2, slightly deeper full set. 3, 4, 5, 6, we've got counter rotation, and we've got a nice click out of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, 6 we're getting counter rotation again. And we've got a slightly deeper full set again. So nothing on 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 counter rotation, and there we go. 5 gave us the open. Well, quite a tricky little pick that for Federal compared with other ones I've picked before. So let's get the vise out of the way, adjust the camera, and work out how to get into this, because we don't have, I don't know if we can see that, no screw in there, but we have Allen key on there. So where's my, here we go, and I even got the right size. So hopefully if we remove this, Loctite it in, and still not coming out. But what have we got in the bottom there? It looks, something's moving in there. We've definitely got to get this one out. Is that a pin? Right, what else have we got? Do we push something, pull something? If you can see, I've got enough light to get down in there. But there's definitely something in there that's moving. So, should have probably rehearsed this. But hey ho, let's try locking it, see if that makes no difference whatsoever. Aha, there we go, it was a pin, just didn't want to come out. So there we go, that's the pin holding the core in. There's the grub screw, don't want to lose all the bits. I'll stick those on the pinning tray. And what have we got in there? Another Allen screw, and it's a different size. Let's grab another one. And yeah, we got the right size that time. And it looks like we've got that out. And we need to get the key out, because, I don't know if you can see there, it looks like we're dovetailed on there. Oh, we've got a washer. So then that slides out. I mean, you can see how thick that anti-drill plate is. And then we've got that spinner in there as well. And finally we get to the core. So let's pull that out. And a fairly standard looking core. So we are locked up. Let's get the clip off. What a tight little clip. And then we want the key. And a follower. Here we go. Why is that not wanting to come out? Right, I think we might have to try a shim on there, because of the groove on the back seems to be hanging up on it. Where have all my shims gone? Lost all my shims now. Not doing well. Let's try that. No, shim needs to go in further. bottom. There we go. Finally, so we have 6 pins. Looks like the front one is steel. Another anti-drill measure, and I don't know if we can see there. If we can get that to focus. We've got little grooves under there. So we have a serrated steel in 1, serrated in 2, standard in 3, serrated in 4, standard in 5, and a standard in 6. Let's just organise those. Little pins, but nice to see a serrated steel pin in there. And let's see what we've got up top. Oh, sorry, try and keep this in camera. Right, we have a steel standard, a spool, that is what I think they use as an anti-bump pin. It's narrow top and bottom. Another spool, let's get the rest out from the back. Another spool, and another spool. So 1 steel standard, 4 spools, and 1 anti-bump pin. There we go, all the springs. Just turf that off there, and there we go. So fairly standard setup with the pins, but quite a enjoyable pick. Sorry the gutting took a little while. I'll try and rehearse it next time. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for sending this Pickbeard, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.